Well, we're really excited and honored to be a part of the program. It's been super so far. A lot of talented young people involved, and we're honored that we could be a part of it again. And we think it's a wonderful thing for the youth of Aruba. We put an emphasis on looking for some of the young talent here in Aruba and making those folks some of our future employees here and have become a part of the culture here at Playa Linda, and we're excited to look for what's ahead. And so far we've been very fortunate with some of the young folks we brought in. We just completed a $1.3 million pool renovation over the course of the last year. Did it in two segments, so we added an adult activities pool and then renovated our main resort pool, which are being final steps are being completed as we speak. We're in the process of creating a new front entrance and sign with a brand new water feature up front, which should be completed in the next few weeks. And then we'll landscape the entire front of the resort. Also, we were just completing remodeling of Douchey Bagel restaurants in front, Garden Fresh, which was an addition within the past year, as well as upgrading and enhancing the mini market and wine and spirit stores in front. So we continue to upgrade and improve the aesthetics of the resort and enhance the service as well. We hope to continue to grow our ownership base and bring in some younger members for our future members, and our rental segment of the business helps us attract potential future owners. So we've been focused on a lot of the social media, and some of our young talented folks help us in accomplishing that. As you know, that generation lives in social media, and so between Twitter and Instagram and Facebook and TripAdvisor, we've put a lot of emphasis in those areas to really drive our popularity and market to the next generation, if you will. We have so many talented people. I would just say, keep up the good work, stay focused. Keep your passion, keep your energy and excitement. We welcome that, and that's what makes you special. And hopefully we'll be able to share in some of your future successes here at Playa Linda with you.